Imagine yourself in this GMC 2016 Canyon SLT Crew Cab pickup. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver alert package, heavy-duty trailering package, preferred equipment group 2LT, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Premium 7-speaker audio system feature, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system and radio, AM/FM stereo with 8-color touch navigation. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.